Hello viewers, I am Smita. Welcome to Karnataka kitchen. Today I am going to show you the preparation of cabbage, carrot and ripe beans or Hannu Huralikai curry. Cabbage is a good source of soluble fiber, vitamin C and vitamin K. Carrot is a good source of vitamin A and B, and beans provide protein, iron and antioxidants. This curry is best served with steamed rice or as a side dish with chapati. Now let us look at the ingredients. I have taken 1 bowl chopped cabbage, 3/4 bowl chopped carrot and a small bowl of ripe beans. For tempering, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard and little hing, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 green chilies cut into pieces, little turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal, salt to taste, little curry leaves, little coriander leaves, juice of 1 lemon and half bowl of grated coconut. Keep a kadai on stove and add oil. Add mustard and hing. Let it splutter. Add cumin seeds, turmeric powder. Add chana dal, urad dal, green chilies, curry leaves and fry for a minute. Now add cabbage, carrots, ripe beans and mix. Add half glass of water. Mix once, cover with the lid and allow the vegetables to cook. Let us check this. Vegetables are well cooked and water has evaporated. Now add salt and coriander leaves and mix well. Turn off the stove and add lemon juice, grated coconut and give it a good mix. Cabbage, carrot and ripe beans curry is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. A tasty cabbage, carrot and ripe beans curry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video.